Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat AI is not showing up into your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your Snapchat AI is not showing up into your Snapchat, you just simply have to go into your chat section, and into there you will find this write a message icon into here. Just simply click into that, and after that you can see this my AI option into the very top. Just simply click into that option and then click to chat, and in here just simply type anything and click to send button, and after that your AI will reply immediately and you can see my AI option into your chat from now on. By following these very easy steps, you can easily fix Snapchat AI is not showing up into your Snapchat. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.